The Indian Army has recently acquired 100 robotic dogs to enhance its operational capabilities in surveillance and logistics. Equipped with thermal cameras and various sensors, these robotic dogs can conduct real-time surveillance, gather intelligence and transmit images back to operators. Germany began delivering first RCH-155 wheeled artillery to Ukraine aimed at enhancing its defense capabilities. The RCH-155 is a most advanced self-propelled artillery system capable of firing both conventional and precision-guided shells at range of up to 54 kilometers, and at a rate of fire of up to 9 rounds per minute. The Turkish armed forces have achieved another milestone, with launch of Talon-guided munition from its internal bay of Anka 3 unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The combination of the Anka 3 drone with Talon munition offers a potent capability for modern warfare, particularly in precision strikes against hard and soft targets. Iran has introduced its new loitering munition Razvan, reportedly capable of reaching a range of 20 kilometers. The drone can be launched from a cylindrical launcher and remains airborne for up to 20 minutes, allowing it to select, lock onto and attack a target.